Hello everyone, welcome in this new video. In this video I will show you how can you do trading and what its benefit and what is trading. So watch the video till the end. I will show you. Trading refers to buying and selling of financial instruments such as stocks, bonds, commodity or currency with the aim of making a profit from short-term price fluctuation. Here are some steps to get started with trading and the potential benefits. First, education and research. Begin by educating yourself about the financial market and the instrument you wish to trade. Learn about different trading strategies, techniques, analytics, fundamental analytics and risk management. Stay updated by the financial news and market trends to make informed decisions. So clear goals and define a strategy. Determine your trading goals and objectives. Are you looking for short-term gains or long-term investment? Develop a trading plan that outline your entry and exit strategies, risk tolerance and positioning strategy. 3. Choose a trading platform. Select a relatable and user-friendly trading platform that suits your need. May brokerage firm offer online platform with tools and charts for analytics as well as across to market and instrument you want to trade. 4. Open a trading account. Once you choose a platform, open a trading account with a reputable broker. Provide the necessary documentation, complete the registration process and deposit fund into your account. 5th. Practice with demo account. Before risking real money, consider using a demo account provided by your broker to practice trading strategies and familiar yourself with the platform. This allows you to gain experience without incurring any financial loss. 6. Start small and manage risking. Begin with small trade and graduating increasing your position size as you gain confidence and experience. Implement risk management techniques such as setting stop loss order to limit potential loss and applying proper position size principle. 7. Execute trades. Use your trading platform to analyze the market and identify potential trading opportunities based on your strategies. Place trading by entering the appropriate order type, example market order, limit order, stop order, and specifying the quantities of instrument you want to trade. 8. Monitor the adjust. Keep a close eye on your account, on your trades, and monitor market conditions. Adjust your strategies as needed based on market development and be prepared to exit position if they no longer align with your trades plan. Benefit of trading. Profit potential. Trading offers the potential for making profit in both rising and falling markets. Trade can be advantage of short-term price movement and capitalizer on market volatile. Second, liquidity. Financial markets are generally high liquid, allowing trades to enter and exit position relatively easily. Diversification. Trading allow you to diversify your investment portfolio by accessing various financial instruments, and market diversification can help spread risk and potential enhance return. 4. Flexibility. Trading can provide flexibility in terms of the when and how you can trade. Depend on the market, you may have abilities 24/7 support enable you can fit trading around your schedule. Fifth, learning opportunities. Engaging in trading provide a valuable learning experience about financial market, economic factors and global events that impact the market. It can enhance your understanding of the economy and improving the financial knowledge. It's important to note that trading involves risk, including the potential loss of capital. It requires continuous learning, discipline, and ability to manage emotions and advisable to start with a small amount of capital and gradually increase your exposure as you gain experience, confidence in the trading ability. Consistent seeking professional advisor or guidelines before venturing the trading if it's unsure about aspects. Thank you for watching in this video.